Hi guys, Mark with Custom Dynamics. Back again with a new product for the Pan Americas here. Got our little magic strobe brake flashers, tried and true. We're gonna go ahead and install this today. It's real quick and easy, but let's get after it. Hi guys, we're here at the bike. Got this bike donated to us to use for this little video from Motor City Harley-Davidson in Farmington Hills. I want to shout out to them and say thank you. But first off, we're gonna take off the seat, which is really easy on the Pan America. Has a key. Put your key in, turn it back, simply lift the seat up. Real easy, and that gains you access to this area. We're gonna get a zoom in on where we're gonna plug in the magic strobe. We'll be right back. All right, guys, we're here at the bike. I'm on the left side of the motorcycle, and this is the back part of the bike. We're gonna look in here, and we're gonna see this little plug here. Got a little clip to hold it in there. That's the light, or the plug for the rear lighting. Gonna want to disconnect that. Gonna take our magic strobe and just simply plug in the JAE connectors in line. Simply as this. You can tuck this wherever you want into, well, there's a lot of areas here. You can set it in here if you like. But that's pretty much it for as far as install. Very easy. Then we can put the seat back on, and then we'll go over the back and show the operation of it. And that's it. That's how easy it is to install the Custom Dynamics Magic Strobes brake flasher on a Pan America. Let's give her a little test here. Turn the bike on. And there we go. Working like we're supposed to. And again, thanks to Motor City Harley in Farmington Hills, Michigan for donating this bike to this video. And as always, you can pick these products up at your local drag specialties dealer, and of course, CustomDynamics.com.